You know what? I have not been down to Hollywood Boulevard in forever.
Hollywood Boulevard. That sounds like fun.
Yeah, wanna?
Yes. Yeah. Let's go.
Push a button.
Hi guys, we're down here on Hollywood Boulevard.
It is only appropriate in Hollywood. We're constantly in people's way.
We're so famous, people are beeping at us.
I love us.
Oh, that was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah. Let's do it again.
All right.
This time with better lighting.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Pablo Picasso, Michelangelo, David Duchovny, Hitler, all painters. None other than that. You actually know the history of that mural.
Yes. It actually, there was another wall here at one time, and they were renovating the building, and they tore the original brick facade down, and that was underneath it. So that is actually a natural formation of the silt and granite and moss. Not Kate Moss, but moss, the kind that grows. So yeah, it is one of our national treasures, like Jeremy here, and we cannot stop looking at it. It's quite beautiful. Somehow the fact that nobody's graffiti, well, I think maybe people have tried to graffiti, they've had to cut their hands off, but we're pretty happy about it. Got Madonna on the front row from Like a Prayer video.
What?
Johnny Depp is in there. I love the white dress. And
Are you sure that's not
Christina
Marilyn Monroe?
Aguilera's in it. What?
You sure that's not Marilyn Monroe?
No, don't be silly.
No, she's dead.
Yeah, how would you put her in a barrel?
Because we met up at the Pig and Whistle earlier, which is a restaurant that's been here since 1928.
And they really should serve the fucking cuddle, because then you can say, I'm going down to the Pig and Whistle to get a fucking cuddle.
I almost asked her to make one. Like, I had it memorized, and I'm like,
Really?
can I get her to do it? She looked like she hit me, so I was kind of like, probably not.
Yeah.
And I like, she was kind of like Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. You'd be talking, all of a sudden she'd be here, and she'd be like, hi, I think your conversation's hysterical. And I'm like, whoa, okay.
Because yeah, you literally like having a conversation like, can I get you anything else? This is also the other thing about living in Hollywood, waiting for lights.
Did that place used to be called Kung Pao Kitty?
I believe so. Hence the
God.
sign on the side of the building that says Kung Pao Kitty.
Jim
But really, I mean, people come from all over the country just to hang out here. We live here. I'm
that's
like
true.
amazed by that. You have no idea.
Well, what's awful is I feel like I don't take advantage of it.
Yeah.
Because you know when you live somewhere and you don't do the things that make it special, you know?
Yeah.
You do your life, you do work, you eat, you know, you do your thing, you pay your rent. You sometimes forget that there's so many wonderful things in your city,
Yeah.
and you don't go out. So I say, no matter where you live, there's always wonderful, incredible things. And I always encourage you to sometimes take a break from life, take a break from dry cleaning and laundry and cleaning up your apartment and going to the same old bar.
There's always going to be another potluck. There's always going to be another church bazaar.
But get out there. Get out there and experience your city, because I take this city for granted. There's no reason for anybody to take any place for granted. Make sure you set a time for yourself to actually explore, because I promise you'll find something beautiful and amazing. So please share your stories in the comments, because we would love to learn more about wherever you're from, because you're so nice to listen to what we discover about the place where we're from.
Wait, I need to touch this. Feel this.
Is that good for you?
It's very textured.
Well, yes, it is.
It kind of hurts, but I like it. Oh my god, you have to tell me about the bacon wrapped hot dogs. No, wait, what were we talking about?
Fried Twinkies.
Fried Twinkies.
Oh my god.
Tell them about the fried Twinkies. In
Okay,
Vegas.
this is a stop and tell moment.
Yeah.
Okay,
In front of the gold wall.
In front of the frame, yeah?
fried Twinkies. You seriously? Okay, everybody, I know this is gonna be weird, but if you've had a fried Twinkie, raise your hand. Okay, if you've not had a fried Twinkie, do not despair. The fried Twinkie. Okay, so the concept is simple. Take a Twinkie, you fry it. That's pretty much it. It is as if heaven opened up and gave you something sweet yet greasy, something textured yet creamy. It is quite. I did not think you could take the Twinkie and intensify it, make it better, evolve it into something else. It is a damn Pokemon. You throw it into some oil, and all of a sudden, it becomes some god. Find a place that does deep fried Twinkies. I'm not really a do-it-yourself fryer, simply because 20,000 houses get burned down every year because people try to deep fry turkeys for Thanksgiving. And their houses explode in fire and flames. So, not sure if you should do it yourself. But, if you're adept at frying, please do. But if you can't, like me, because I'm a nerd, go and find a place that does this. It is so incredibly amazing that you will not regret it. You absolutely will not. But seriously, word of caution, one Twinkie. You'll be tempted to have more, and you will die. That has nothing to do with it. It is so rich and so unctuous.
It's very.
That you can't have more than one. If you do, you'll be sick. So one, limit yourself, show self-restraint, and enjoy the fried Twinkie. I promise you, you will not regret it.
And then tomorrow, go back for another fried Twinkie.
I want to clarify when your description of the deep fried Twinkie, you made it like your description could be interpreted as like Jesus coming on your face or something. Like there was.
Yes, it is exactly as I imagine sex with Jesus. It is quicker than I would like, but filling.
Oh my God, it's Fred Zinnemann. I loved him in that thing. Jim Henson.
Just a second.
Oh, we don't know.
It takes.
I didn't know there were controls.
It takes time. Bear with me.
My
Ooh,
favorite.
Escape Hotel.
I want to go here so
Is it?
badly.
There's an adventure, 1 hour to escape. Oh my God, that's
It's an escape
so
room.
much fun.
I want to do an escape room so badly.
I think we need to try this, Jeremy. Oh my God, I want to let us film. We need one of those night
Oh
cameras.
my gosh. It probably would not. But
If you ever want to see a grown man wet himself,
Oh my gosh. If you
I can't
guys-
even make a joke that it's you because I'm totally acknowledging it would be me. Yeah, I would love to lay that on you, but I know you would be good in this. I would cry.
Oh my gosh.
I
no.
would try and wet
I
myself.
would be totally methodical on my makeup.
We should get some star maps. Star maps, or in other words, how to stalk your favorite celebrity. What do you think about our adventure today, Jeremy?
B+. No, I'm like I said before, I think it's important to explore your city. Now we happen to know this stretch, but seriously, when was the last time you just walked it for fun?
Oh, years.
Yeah.
It's been a long
No,
time.
literally.
Yeah.
I mean, I would say it has easily been 8-9 years since I've walked this without my head looking at the ground, just trying to get where I'm going. Or I literally just had my head up, looking around, and I think there's something special about that.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't matter where your home is, what it is, there's always something special, and you'll always learn something new. Even if it's a stretch, you'll always go down, you're not looking at it with the same eyes. So take a chance.
And you
Go
know what?
out.
Even if you're in a new area, like if you've never been to Hollywood before, yeah, you're gonna want to go to the Chinese theater, you're gonna want to go see the Hollywood sign. But you know what? Take a day or an afternoon and pick a place and just walk around because you'll find some amazing things that you might have not seen if you've driven past or, you know, took a Segway or had someone carry you on their shoulders going to a play party or an orgy. You never know. But, you know, take some time to smell the roses because you never know what you're going to see.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining us today, and join us next week for Push the Button.
Yeah! Have a good night. Mwah. Take some time to smell the roses because you never know what you might see. That made me just.
Well, it applies to you because you can't smell. So.
I thought poetic. I'm pretty sure I read that in like Emily Dickinson or something.
Okay, good.
So
So that.